You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is I equals 3 over 10. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Isolate the I. Multiply both sides by 2i. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the I. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over negative 10. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is I equals 3 over 10.